Today, I want to talk about how to redesign any room. I will break my design process down into 7 steps and show some examples from my work. Hi everyone, it's Sungeun. Welcome to Lifestyle C. If you are new here, I'm an interior designer and I create videos about poetic interior design and lifestyle. When decorating rooms, I see that we usually don't start from nothing, but we have some pieces of furniture, fabric items, and decor pieces to incorporate into the new design. That's why I especially specify redesigning rooms. So what's the first step when designing rooms? Creating a Pinterest board or going to retail shops and finding ideas? Well, I'd say first of all, creating a wish list. Instead of getting influenced by trends and other people's inspiration, you need to ask yourself and your family what really wants. All you need to do is write down everything that you want to achieve, how you want to feel, what the ideal room will look like, things that you want to purchase, or any specific ideas. I suggest you stay in the room that you want to redesign while making a wish list. And write it down on paper instead of sitting in front of the computer. You will feel and observe the room closely. Living in that place for a while and getting to know your space is crucial. See where the light comes from and how the light changes and creates shadows throughout the day. Hear the sounds, look at the outside, and feel the environment. You will probably come across new ideas wholly customized for the room. Measure the space thoroughly, including your existing furniture and items that you want to keep. Also, take pictures of them with your phone. You can have them whenever you go out. You might find hidden gems that you've dreamed about and you won't miss the opportunity while you are guessing whether or not they fit in your place. Checking the dimensions, looking at the pictures, and imagining how things work together will make your decision-making process easier and faster. Now it's time to find your style and the design direction of your room. Painting images is fun and inspiring, but lots of images without a clear direction can be overwhelming. It's not only looking at pictures taken by someone else that can be design sources, but also looking back at your personal experience of well-designed spaces or other inspiration from the real world. Try to remember what you liked and which items spoke to you. There are many more essential steps left that we need to push through, so don't spend way too much time on this stage. You can always come back when you need more detailed ideas. For now, you should move on to the next step, which is clarifying ideas and deciding a clear direction. After spending some time on collecting images, go through what you've gathered and find repetitions and your favorites. Start pick out those images and curate them on a clean sheet in physical or digital form. Short descriptions about what you want to achieve from and what you love about that picture will help you learn your design styles and preferences and figure out what specific items you need to get closer to your design dream. The benefit of creating a mood board is that you can see how everything works together cohesively, and it will guide you to stay with a clear vision while you find the right products. During this time, you also need to include the existing items that you want to work with. If you see some items don't work with the new concept and color scheme, you can think of simple DIYs. Painting the furniture and changing hardware would be easy solutions. While creating mood boards, brainstorm different room layouts by referring to dimensions that you measured earlier. You can hand draw or use some free programs such as Icovia to explore different room layouts. Also, visualize and simulate layouts in real space to feel better before purchasing or installing. As a designer, I create rendered style mood boards or renderings based on the mood board. But without it, it's not that easy for me to create realistic visualization either. Next step is creating a shopping list. This is a very crucial step because you cannot start purchasing until figuring out the total budget and what and when to buy. If you already found the right products, write down the specs of the products. But if you haven't found the perfect pieces yet, just write down which items you need, for example, armchair, table lamp, etc., and set a rough budget for each. At the end of this process, you will get the total sum. The sooner you know this number, the more confidence you will get to push through the realization process. If the number exceeds your budget, you can prioritize and set a couple of purchasing phases. It can be a couple of months or year or two. The key here is that you've got a clear vision. This is how you stay focused until you finish your decor project. You might adjust the plans during the process, but you're not going to feel totally lost and stuck as long as you have the wish list, mood board, room layout, and shopping list. I hope that this video gives you a blueprint to redesign your room. I help people with this process more stress-free through my e-design service and virtual consultation. So if you are interested, please check out more details in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!